How to add a phone number on Blizzard. So if you want to add a phone number to your Blizzard account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then go for the search bar or go for the search and search for Blizzard. And here you can get blizzard.com. Click on that and it will take you to the website. So make sure to sign into your account. Here on the upper right side you will have sign in option or account option. You can simply go for a login and make sure to log into your account. And once you've logged in, you can go for account settings. And under your account settings, you can go for account details, which is here on the second option towards your left. And here, if you scroll down, here you will have phone number option, right? So if you have not added your phone number yet, then you will have add phone number option here, or you can also go for the add phone number, which is here on the upper right. Simply click on any one of them. And here you need to enter your phone number. So simply enter your phone number and then click on I agree and click on continue. And now you need to enter the security code which you have received to your phone number. So simply enter that code here and then you need to click on submit. And once you enter that code, you can simply click on submit and your phone number will be added. So that's it. That's how you add phone number to your Blizzard account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.